guys!
Hello.
So...
Go.
Ulit. Hi guys!
Hey guys.
Okay, so can we just say that this was supposed to be a tutorial on how to make the Yakult cake? So yeah, we were supposed to recreate and teach you guys how to make the Yakult cake from the store in BF. I forgot their store name.
Yeah, we
so
actually just saw it in spot.ph and then we got interested in recreating it.
But I guess it didn't go as planned.
I think you can add fruits or different types of chocolates on top, like to make it your own type of Yakult
We
cake.
didn't have strawberries or mangoes or anything like that, so we just dusted it off with dark cocoa powder.
Yeah. You can even go try Milo if you're into that. You know, I mean, it's a
Pero
thing.
parang
I
weird
guess.
kasi kung may parang sobrang ewan ko.
I mean, if you're into that, you know, I mean, that's what
Yeah.
it is.
But it is a weird cake. Yakult cake. It's here.
I mean, if I was gonna sell it, I would sell it
This
for
is
probably 50 pesos because it doesn't really...
Hindi mo yan sasabihin.
Oh, okay.
I will post the recipe and the measurements down in the description box below, but it's up to you if you want to copy it or tweak it or something. But for us kasi, we think that instead of all-purpose cream, maybe try using buttercream instead.
Yeah. I think that would give it like a better taste. I hope you guys like it and actually try it. I don't know, and comment down below if ever you
we
guys
did something wrong.
Yeah, or like if you guys found out like a way to do it better, like how to really incorporate like the
Because
Yakult flavor.
I make cookies and brownies, but I don't really make cakes, so I need to practice on that.
Yeah, and I'm really just bad at desserts, so that explains it.
So ayun. So thank you guys for watching. Oh wait, plug your ramen.
Oh yeah. I actually make bok choy, but I use
It's so
Japanese
good.
technique. Like, so it's basically how you make a ramen, but I did it in a way that I could incorporate our very own bok choy. So it's kitchen. Actually, it's
I'll
gonna
just
be
put it here.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Right there.
So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned a thing or two on how not to make this kind of Yakult cake. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!